Hey third grade, this video is for page 276 in the Your Turn practice book. So take a minute and make sure you're on the same page and you have your pencil and eraser ready to go. Now we're doing another biography this week. This one is very short, obviously, and it's about Bessie Coleman. But before we get started, let's take a minute and think about what genre and what a biography really is. So a biography always tells a true story about one real person's life, just about one person, and it's a true story, so it's nonfiction. It's written by someone else who knows a lot about that person. And it includes text features like keywords, photographs, and captions because it's nonfiction. So you're not going to see any drawings or cartoons usually. Those are more for fiction text. All right, at the end, we'll answer some questions about the text. Let's read together about Bessie Coleman. In Chicago, Bessie worked with her brother Walter in a barber shop, but still wanted more in life. When her brother John came home after World War I, he teased her, telling her how much better French women were. They had real careers. Some even flew airplanes. After hearing this, Bessie decided to become a pilot. As an African American woman, though, she was unable to get a pilot's license in America. With friends' support, she was finally able to enroll in a pilot course in France. Take a look at the picture. Remember, a picture is a kind of text feature. That's a photo of Bessie Coleman. It looks like she's in a pilot uniform. Take a look at the helmet and the glasses. Let's read the caption underneath. It says, Bessie Coleman received her pilot's license in France. All right, let's scroll down to the first question. It says, how do you know this text is a biography? Well, remember what we see in a biography. It's a true story about a real person. It's written by another person. And it includes text features. So any of those would work. I'm going to write it is a true story about Bessie Coleman. It is a true story about Bessie Coleman. All right, if you need more time for number 1, go ahead and pause. And if you're ready, we'll go on to number 2. It says, what text feature is included in the text? What's this called? A photograph. You can just write photograph. All right, number 3. How does the text feature help you understand? What do we learn from the text feature? It shows us what Bessie Coleman looks like. It shows what Bessie Coleman looks like. All right, last one, number 4. What made Bessie Coleman want to become a pilot? Because remember, at first, what was she? She worked at a barber shop, but she wanted to do something else. And what happened? Her brother came home from World War I, and he said that French women had real careers, and some of them flew airplanes. And then she wanted to do it too. So her brother told her about, and if you run out of space, you can always go to the next line, about female, that means women, right? Female pilots. Because her brother told her that in France, he'd seen that women could be pilots. So she wanted to do that too. All right, you guys, if you need any more time to check your work, pause on this screen and you'll see all the answers at once. When you're all finished, that is all. We read a short biography today and we talked about the text features in a biography.